Welcome, friends and my learners. In this lesson, we are going to practice English preposition. By this quiz, you are having options and the right answers with questions. So let's start. Question 1. You can see, choose the correct preposition. She is afraid dash hides. What is the statement? The line is he is afraid dash hides, and the options are at, of, from, by, and the right answer is option B. He is afraid of heights. Question 2. Don't stand dash the desk. Don't stand dash the desk. Options up, in, at, on, and the right answer is option D. Don't stand on the desk. Question 3. The crow is flying dash the tree. The crow is flying dash the tree. Options on, up, over, at. And the right answer is option C. The crow is flying over the tree. Question 4. The whale is dash the water. The whale is dash the water. Options at, under, on, in, and the right answer option D. The whale is in the water. Question 5. My birthday is dash February. My birthday is dash February. Options at, on, from, in. And the right answer is option D. My birthday is in February. Question 6. I eat dinner only dash 8 p.m. I eat dinner only dash 8 p.m. Options on to, on, at, over. And the right answer is option C. I eat dinner only at 8 p.m. Question 7. We played a game dash hide and seek. Options are for, of, in, at. And the right answer is option B. We played a game of hide and seek. Question 8. I will meet you dash Monday. And the options are two words on, at, from. And the answer is option B. I will meet you on Monday. Now, question 9. She received a bicycle dash her birthday. Options on, at, from, for. And the right option is A. She received a bicycle on her birthday. Question 10. The story is written dash my mother. Options by, from, at, on. And the answer is option A. The story is written by my mother. I hope the lesson will be very helpful for you for your preposition improvement. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.